Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of companion planting, specifically focusing on tomatoes. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, companion planting can elevate your gardening game to new heights. And what better way to start than with everyone's favorite backyard crop, tomatoes. Hi there, and I'm thrilled to be your guide through this journey of companion planting tomatoes. Before we get our hands dirty, let's talk about what companion planting is all about. Companion planting is the practice of growing certain plants together to benefit one another in various ways. It's like building a little ecosystem right in your garden. For tomatoes, companion planting can help with pest control, pollination, and even flavor enhancement. So, which plants make the best companions for our beloved tomatoes? Let's find out. First up, basil. This aromatic herb isn't just great for adding flavor to your pasta sauce, it's also an excellent companion for tomatoes. Basil helps repel pests like aphids and mosquitoes, and its strong scent can confuse and deter tomato-loving insects. Plus, it enhances the flavor of tomatoes when planted nearby. Talk about a win-win. When planting basil with tomatoes, make sure to space them appropriately to allow for adequate airflow and sunlight. Aim for about 12 to 18 inches between each plant, and watch as these two garden favorites thrive together. Next on our list of tomato companions is the vibrant marigold. These cheerful flowers not only add a pop of color to your garden, but also serve as natural pest repellents. Marigolds emit a strong scent that deters pests like nematodes and whiteflies, keeping your tomato plants healthy and happy. Plant marigolds around the perimeter of your tomato patch, or intersperse them throughout the garden for maximum pest-repelling benefits. Their bright blooms will not only beautify your garden, but also provide valuable support to your tomato plants. Last but not least, we have nasturtiums. These vibrant flowers are not only eye-catching but also great companions for tomatoes. Nasturtiums act as a natural trap crop, luring pests away from your precious tomato plants. Plus, their edible flowers and leaves add a spicy kick to salads and garnishes. Plant nasturtiums near your tomato plants to create a barrier against pests like aphids and whiteflies. Their sprawling vines also help shade the soil, retain moisture, and suppress weeds, making them invaluable allies in the garden. And there you have it, folks. With the power of companion planting, you can create a thriving ecosystem in your garden while reaping the rewards of bountiful tomato harvests. So, grab your gardening gloves and get ready to plant some companions for your tomatoes. Until next time, happy gardening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. See you in the next videos.